Oh no, there's a gay boy in the kitchen.
Fuck off, you know.
Are you cooking eggs?
Not cooking eggs.
What's that back in home then?
Huh?
What's that in the home then?
Bit of egg.
What are you doing to them?
Huh?
You're cooking eggs.
Sponge and fish.
Dickhead, you are.
What was the point of kicking it for?
What's the point of putting it in my
Sponge and
face?
fish.
Piss off, Carl.
Where's that sponge?
Your arse.
No, it's not. It's in your face. Sponge and fish.
No, then, I did away.
It was in your face.
One of the carpet is all wet. I'm not even joking, there's a carpet window is all wet.
They're in there, isn't it? Ross.
That's ginger.
See you are.
Bite.
Lay a cat in, Chad.
Bite.
Lay the cat in, Chad.
I mean, I should record, to be honest.
Lay a cat in, Chad.
Don't you fuck off. Shouldn't we be
The
making
cat
coffee,
will
Dan?
rot
That's
and
why
die.
I wanted to record it, so you can make a coffee.
Whose cat's there?
I can't make coffee, Dan.
Reverse, reverse.
Puss, puss, puss. Puss, 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 puss.
Come on, young man. Come on, young man. Come on. Where's the towel?
What's he up to?
Get screwed, get screwed.
Squeak, no, let go.
Get screwed, get screwed.
Squeak. Sit. Sit. Squeak. Squeak, sit.
It's so good on YouTube.
Squeak, sit.
Sweet.
Okay, they're on my eggs.
The chickens.
Chad. Keep it. Squeak. Squeak. Sit. Squeak.
Dan, it's too long
Fine,
for
dog.
fridge. Dan, who's making coffee? I'm not Dan, make some coffee.
Sit. Pull.
I think I'll take over from here.
No, you won't. It's my
You
iPhone.
need to make the fucking coffee, don't you?
Chad, do you know this is going on YouTube?
No, watch this now.
Too much, too long.
Chad is like 3 minutes.
Exactly, that takes like fucking an hour and more than 2 hours to render.
Bye.